Fall 2024 Question 4. This sits in Category 6, Profit Testing and Experience, difficulty rung 1 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition Q, Profit Cash Flow Vector Signature, NPV/gains. STEM Focus, 2-year term profit vector, signature, NPV at hurdle, uses of profit testing. Own the recognition queue and map before grinding algebra. Use the official exam PDF and model solution for full numeric work. Attack with the Category 6 checklist. Step 1. Year KCF. Prem minus EXP minus claims minus reserve. Step 2. Signature pi_k equals survival times emergent profit. Step 3. NPV at hurdle, margin, IRR if asked. Step 4. Gains by source, one actual at a time. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 6 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variants. Audience setting is not made for kids, adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.